Hello everyone. One thing is for sure, if you make mini t-shirt or memory style quilts using clothing, you will eventually come in contact with a shirt or garment that is well loved and might have some small holes. Today I'm going to show you how to use extra parts of the shirt that are not going into your quilt and use Fabri-Tac glue to create a patch to cover these places. The very first thing I'm going to do is take the Fabri-Tac glue and go around the entire perimeter of the hole in the garment. You want to make sure that all areas around that hole are covered with the glue. Fabri-Tac glue is permanent and can be washed, and it also helps to keep that hole in place and keeps it from getting any larger. Next, place your small patch right over top of the hole in the garment. Now, this method alone of patching will work just fine because the Fabri-Tac is a permanent adhesive. However, as a second layer of protection, I usually stabilize the back sides of my t-shirts for quilts with a fusible interfacing. So I'm going to add my interfacing and then fuse everything down. Now you'll notice that the interfacing didn't quite cover this patch. The block I'm cutting out of this shirt is actually smaller than where the area is with the hole, but I just wanted to show you the process using this shirt. Once your interfacing is fused down, you are ready to begin using this garment into your quilt. One thing I really love about using patches from the clothing is that everything blends in and camouflages the area very nicely. You won't eliminate the hole, but you'll be able to still use this garment and keep the hole from getting any larger. Now you might notice the area of the patch behind the shirt, but once your quilt is all quilted, it will blend in very nicely and hardly be noticeable. I really hope this tip was helpful today. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you really soon in our next video. Bye.